Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the REST API errors that you might be getting in your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform you're using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from here it's going to open up the main page from where we can get started accessing our WooCommerce plugin at the left side of the screen. So if you have installed your plugins, they're going to be appearing right here. So let's go and take a look at this article right here, how to fix the WordPress REST API authentication errors that you might be getting. There are 10 practical ways. So some of the error messages might be like REST API request failed, 403 forbidden, valid nonce, and so on. So what you can do is go and test out what is causing the problems. So basically guys, what you want to do is follow the steps right here. You can find a similar article or use this one right here on VPReel, and you can go and check them out. So basically usually it's going to be causing by some plugin or theme conflict. So what you want to do is test out your plugins to see which ones are working faultily. So you want to go and disable them one by one to see which one is causing your problem. There are a couple of rest of options you can go and follow right here, but usually it's going to be causing by your plugins. So disable one plugin and see if the error still persists, and you're going to disable one by one until you go ahead and get rid of the error, and then you're going to know that plugin is causing the problem. So you can either disable it or contact customer support, explain what is happening. They're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.